Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Kwik Finance from the website. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Kwik Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now you need your email address and your password to log in, so type in your email. Now type in your password, or you can also type in your social security number. Now click on this box to ensure that you are not a robot. If you are not a member yet, you can click on this link and create a new account. And if you have forgot your username or password, you can click on this link to recover it. Now click on login to your account to log into Kwik Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.